we're downtown.
Freezing cold.
It's not freezing cold. We're gonna make various noises to people when we're driving by because I'm too much of a pussy to say stuff to people's faces. I'm just kidding. But yeah, we're looking for some victims. That's Katie. Sorry about that. I didn't want you guys to see that side of me, but you saw it. You saw all of it. All of it. All right. I don't think anyone's out tonight.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot. Well,
look at all those lights. They're so bright.
So pretty.
So pretty. Hey! There's a stoplight. Oh. So, there's people right there, and I just shouted, "Hey!" as you. Oh my God, I'm such a boob. Oh, my hair is all. Better.
You gotta look good for the guys.
You gotta look good for the sexy people. Woo! Yeah, we're going so fast! To the State Theater! Away! See, because that's the State Theater. We're going there. Oh my God! Don't scare me. Katie scared me. She almost punched me in my no-nose square. R-A-P-E. Say the way. Say the fuck. Say it away from me. Oh, look, that's a giant tree. I'm so loud. I'll do it when it turns green. I'm gonna do a firework noise. If I fail, I'm sorry. I tend to be good at that, but gotta clear up the pipes. Oh, gotta look good. That was so loud. Oh God.
I could do the bang.
Oh, that was loud. I'm sorry. Oh.
Do it one more time. I failed at the bang.
Katie failed at the bang part, which is the easiest part because I'm the one who has to get my vocals up.
I was laughing so hard.
Clear the pipes.
Do it.
Bang! Bang, sucker! Hell yeah! Alright, well, we're gonna go now. So, cause we're not downtown anymore. So, there's no one to say hi to anymore, except for you guys, of course. You. Yeah, you. Did I poke you? I'm sorry. Bye!